Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is LP. Now, today I'm going to be talking about one of your favorite so-called tandem. Next thing I'm going to touch on is the Q1, right? Murder stats for Iron Man. Right, as in the first quarter, right? January, February, March. We now have the data for the first 3 months. Tell somebody want to watch and see how, right, 2023 Q1 is looking. I could talk about that too. Before we go any further, we have a Patreon birthday shout out to the big boss, Mom Chanel. Now it was actually yesterday, but as you saw, never get to drop a video on Sunday. So Chanel, don't know, mostly enjoy yourself. Right? You give me a little clue about some of your plans them, and all I could do was laugh. Right? Long time, loyal Patreon support. Mom Chanel can always count on her anything regarding the Patreon squad. So big up yourself, right? Big up your family, more life, more prosperity, all the best life of the office scene. Mom Chanel, big up, whole Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Right? Make a move into the video. Ramos, right? Great cover. He was laying low for a while when the whole thing got on with the Teletubby, J-Man and them there. Right? And he kinda, take away himself. But we don't know that guy already. All they have to do is start the clock and love the gram over there on the dolly them. Right? So people that say, see Ramos take away himself and nobody not go see Ramos again. Unicorn meet. Right? I mean not see Ramos again. You can't live without video light. Here he is. Ramos has made an appearance. Now, we don't know, so him and the Teletubby them, right? Not exactly best of friends. J-Man still there behind bars. Right now, Twitter look. Wouldn't be surprised if you hear someone unicorn go represent J-Man. The scumbag still there road. Right, I convinced people say I'm some kind of boss. So it goes still. Make your bed, you have to lay down in the night. But Ramos, him display on screen. Right. Look like it's a real fashionista. The extended mouth, the extendo in him waist. It look like one next magazine in him pocket. I don't know what kind of boot that one he put in. I know people that go say, yeah, just you don't know them style, them things are it a weird. It a weird and it cost about $10,000. You know none. But them things are in a style now, them just the swag. Just the swag. Swag. You see, may I forgive, right, the people who run these fashion companies, especially the major European fashion houses. I forgive them credit. Like did yourself, like Flo, I forgive them credit. Because them people that can take a garbage bag, stamp on them logo on it and sell it to you for $2,000 US on the bike. Somebody can literally take a used diaper. All these fashion houses, right? They can take a used diaper with baby dash in a gully, right? And stamp on them logo on it and sell it to you, right? For $5,000 US. I want to see when I come talk about that. Just you know the style and the swag. Just you about man, you can't afford them things. You can't afford the diaper, brother. That's a diaper full of feces. Right. This is sitting there for Ramos suit right there, so. You see some backwood tire that. You ever see a backwood? The man then cut off a piece of one backwood tire. Put on some laces on it. And sell it to you for $1,000. No, so them European sprats they were selling them clothes. Right, I'm not lie. Right, the money for their marketing ability different. They can't sell anything. Right, so Ramos, right, start pose up again. And by now, them youth are already up on the radar. Right, already in a big problems. But right, holding on to the image is more important than anything else. Remember J-Man? No care J-Man. Right. He's under pressure. The key them I go through, the key them I do. But you see man walk up and down. Can barely walk the way magazine extension. He chop on him waist, make a couple videos about it them. So left the man alone. Left him alone and swim there now. The so-called fans them let's left him alone. they move on to our next set of clown. Because there's always a next set of clown, man. The circus is always in town. And there's always a next set of clown. So first thing, then cling on to J-Man. Them, don't listen to me, J-Man. Don't listen to me, Teletubby. I just treat bad mind. And then, when you them do foolish things, they got jail. Them say, boy, they don't have sense, no. J-Man don't have sense, no. J-Man, the man that's in life, no sense, no. Some of these so-called fans, and tell you, as my granny said, they're worse, right? Than the people in my support. They're addicted to chaos, death and destruction. They love it. Nothing makes some of these so-called fans happier than watching the people who them claim them support self-destruct right before their very eyes. Right? So, I guess Ramos wanted to know same still strapped up like a wolf creek. Anyway, we can move on to the murder stats for 2023 Q1. That's January, February, March, right there. People them will tell us, if you know any accountants or them people them will tell us, we don't watch week, we don't watch month, we look on quarters. So we look on quarters. Right. Kingston Central, right, have one more murder, right, this time compared to the same time period last year. So 10% increase, but we're talking about 10 murders versus 11 murders. Kingston Eastern 0%, right, so same amount last year, same amount this time. Kingston Western, which is a small 8.3% increase, it was much higher at the start of the year, so that's actually coming down. Right. St. Andrew Central, 38.9% decrease. St. Andrew North, 14% decrease. Here's a big one because we look on the hot spots them now. St. Andrew South, 44% decrease. That is significant. 44% decrease. As I say, when you buy a taxi driver over there, we're linked to John Carnation, hopefully that not jump off to nothing. Alright, so 44% decrease. Here's our next major one. St. Catherine North, 50% decrease. That's massive. Hold on for St. Catherine North little. We just hear say, Roderick, right? Brother, get catch with the gun. Roderick. I think they see Roderick, your favorite artist, Roderick. Yeah, that one, the Clansman, and brother, right? Here say, right, he's been caught with an illegal firearm. I wanna go see a video drop on that. Next thing, Spanish Town, St. Catherine North as a whole. Right. Even though you see the murders them down 50%, you know so you can get spooky real quick when you see how much man bust the case. So far, the intel on the ground is showing that right, all of the gang them basically just a pick sides. Everybody who left anti-gang, remember now originally they were all black man 87s. No, that's no longer the case. So the man them who left, right, a farm up or a team up with a faction. So some man was already bedbugs. So as them took them a bedbugs from jail, so them touch the road, bedbug side. Next time man them, Thermite and top banks them, can't nobody so. Right. Some people them a flip-flop between who they want to go to. Right. People that try to draw them over here so, man try tell them say no man come over here so. So they basically picking sides. Then by that school one time everybody stand up and then them say right, you are captain, pick side. And they say you come over here so you come over here so. Right, and that take a little while. That process of picking the teams take a little while. So nothing now go on, the game now play. That's what's happening with Spanish Town now. That's what's happening with St. Catherine now. Right. The man on pick side. When time the team them don't pick, well, you will see how that go. Thermite and top banks. Long time I talk about Thermite. We have talked about Thermite before. Right. The name even registered to the Jamaican people. When we talk about Thermite and top banks, so people say, how come you don't hear about that in the news? How come you're telling me this person that I don't hear about it? Right. Let me put this out, right? Because down the road, when you start hearing them name, yeah, you know, when I love the reactive thing, when I go start jump up. We need to do this and we need to do that. Thermite and top banks, right, has already surpassed the black man faction. What me talk about? when I assess how dangerous a gang is, I'm not just looking at 87th, because all of them can bust a gun. It is the gang that has the most financial support that is the most dangerous. Thermite's faction have the most money by far. Thermite them are bringing in the money from the bus park. Thermite have the scammer links them. Thermite them have the diet code in them. It's basically take all of the old tactics them with Tesha and Blackman them use and roll them into one. And not only that, Thermite faction is like, as Mr. Let's name them a change. Just like with your favorite artist in a jail, right? Did the monks well, from Bulby to Tesha, then say, tell a black man, say man over here, so you know, well, Thermite are the same thing, except him have a different artist, right? One of the favorite artists now, right? The same one on the silver day, right? In a room look like him a perform spell. A Thermite boy, man. I spend serious money with Thermite, right? But the artist there, right? I will be back in international, local, all Billy Joe, right? I help back him. When you know me at all, I skeng me at all, by the way, because I'm just, I don't want nobody think, say, oh, I'm going to go like him, I skeng me at all. Just to be clear. Right, I Thermite more. Serious money I spend. I top banks. Right. Thermite them, I play the game of, no man, we just a cool and I make money. I just a easy back. Them are arms up. Thermite and top banks arming themselves to the teeth. The more money them make, right, and the more gun them buy, and the stronger them get. When them really decide to turn up, or when somebody get killed and them start some kind of war, right, and then Jamaica start to react, and people start to say, okay, we need to do this, remember who need hear it first. Thermite and top banks has surpassed the Black Dog. Not in terms of amount of killings, because Blackman is wilder than Thermite. Right. You see what Thermite, them, you know, collect money, right, arms up, right, and play the, oh no man, what's that easy, Blackman never did that. Blackman was like, I want all my enemies dead right now. Blackman, right, is easier, right, to go after because he's very open about field bandits. Thermite is pretending to be some kind of modern day missionary. No man, we just are going easy and just are going, no man, and that's what he says by day, but by night, pure machine and rolling at the place. Top banks and Thermite them, Haggis them. Just remember them name there, Jamaica, when they start react. See like how when it just suddenly start hear about Tesha and just, oh my god, who is this Tesha? And a long time Tesha there, boy. And then Blackman just suddenly start hear about Blackman. Oh my god, who is this Blackman? A long time Blackman there, boy. Well, remember Thermite and Haggis them. We can move on from St. Catherine North. As me say, 50% decrease so far. St. Catherine South, 4%. St. James, major, 41%. That's major. 41.4%. Westmoreland, 36.8%. Major too, because remember St. James and Westmoreland, right, are normally the two leading ones. So the bulk of Ironman's reduction come from the fact that St. James and Westmoreland, right, not as hot as it was last year. But here's the thing right now. Clarendon. The highest increase in murders in Ironman in 2023 is Clarendon. Right, a 62.5% increase. 62.5. If Clarendon had stuck to its normal numbers, we would see an even greater overall drop. And what's that overall drop? 20.7%. So for Q1, there's a 20.7% decrease in murders in Ironman. 20.7%. No, it's not 50-60%. So my god, this is legendary. But 20.7% is a notable reduction. If your salary go down by 20% right now, right, you're gonna feel it. If your light bill drop by 20%, you're gonna notice. Right. If you live with your woman and you start get 20% less niggle eye, you're gonna notice. So 20% is a decent start. And that 20% is with no further, right, movement when it comes on to the other laws then.
Remember, Ramos already come out and talk like, say, you know, by the time we reach January, February, everything will go out there. But now you're nothing. Bail Act, which is key. Again, any division in here, murders are going on, any shootings are going on. Once you start act, alright, I would up on the gun and go on. Same name then. I said him, but him never had jail. No man, he get Lego. He get Lego 2 weeks ago. And do that shooting at today. Same man then. You can get the bail act right, we're not going to see some real reductions. Now the man tell us, say, oh, you know that, you're not an expert. Well, here's the thing. Anybody can react. Anybody can do Monday morning quarterback. But last year, me tell you, 2023, I expect, if your favorite leaders right, do what them to do, and bring out what them to bring out, we're going to see a turn. Well, we're already seeing a reduction, and just one new act them I work with. You see, there are other benefits to having the new firearm act, because let's just say when certain man about 15 years, they're more willing to, you know, let's just say cooperate. Now, I know you have some people that care about facts and data and everything there, because if it was 20% higher, they would come out and say, see it, I'm telling you, say, no, it's 20% lower, them I go say, that's not nothing. So, okay. Anyway, let me say, look out for Rajic, brother. Not hear about it. Agent Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, see you circling. Bless.